In this video, we are going to see some of the Python MCQ questions with answers asked in Wilmy M3. These questions are frequently asked. Let's see the questions with answer. First of all, the syllabus would be like a quantitative ability of 10 questions. The duration is 20 minutes, marks is 20. Then 7 technical aptitude questions, duration is 15 minutes, 14 marks. Critical thinking and computational logic, 8 questions, 15 minutes, 16 marks. Then code syntax analysis, 1 question, 8 question, 10 marks and 16 marks and 10 minutes. You can take this screenshot. This is the pattern for the first round of Wilmy M3. Then this is the first Python MCQ question. They have given like dummy is equal to Palo Alto, and they have asked what would be the answer in the given dash, like if dash equal to Palo, print hello world. You should fill the empty dash here. The answer for this is dummy of 0:4. That means from 0th position to 3rd position, that means from 0 P, then 1 A, then 2 L, then 3 0. If this, that means from 0 to 4, from 0 to 3rd position, the characters is equal to Palo, then it will print hello world. So the answer is dummy of 0:4. Here I have written capital D, but actually it is small d. Use small d. Then this is the another question. They have given like large number is equal to 1020, small number is equal to 102, and the result equal to int of large number divided by small number plus 40 for I in range of 2,7, print dash. You want to fill this dash. The answer for this is I into result. That means result into I. Then third question, variable 1 is equal to 10 divided by 3. Variable 1 is equal to variable 1 power of 2. Print round of variable 1 comma variable 2. The answer for this question is 9. Then they have given like the output should come like computer, laptop and smartphone, and they have given my tuple is equal to computer, laptop, smartphone. Then for value in my tuple, print dash. The answer for this is value. Then the output should look like into, like 4, summer 6, hello 5, u3, question mark 1, mango 7, and no 2. We can print, we want to print like this, but the input is like words is equal to hello, you, number, no, like and mango. But you should print the word with its length. This can be done by print of word plus len of word. This is the answer for this question. Then Python MCQ 6th question, they have given count is equal to 1. If count not equal to 0, count plus equal to 1. If count not equal to 1, count plus equal to 1. Print count is equal to 0. We want to predict the output here. Initially they are given count is equal to 1. So if count not equal to 0, that means count is 1. 1 is not equal to 0. That means count plus equal to 1. Now count will be 2. So the output will be 2. 7th Python MCQ question. They have given the output and we want to fill in the blanks here. The output is like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Initially they have given I is equal to 0. While I is less than 17, print I they have given dash, and I plus equal to 5, else print of 0. We should first I equal to 0, then it will come into while loop and print 0. Then we should fill in the blanks. The answer would be like I minus equal to 3. This is the answer. You want to fill in the blanks. Then they have given the question here, and you want to fill in the blanks, but you should the output should be like the reverse of the sample. That means ELPMAS. This can be done by slicing operation in Python like this. Sample, you want to fill like open bracket double is to minus 1 close the bracket. This is you want to fill in the blanks. Ninth MCQ, Python MCQ. It's just a syntax problem, not a Python MCQ. Initially they have given int I is equal to 0, while I is less than 10. You want to print I. Then you want to count that I plus plus. We want to find how many times will the following loop run. Initially I is equal to 0, while I is less than 0. Initially 0 will be less than 10, so 0 will be printed. Now 0 will be incremented to 1, 1 less than 10, 1 will be printed, 1 will be incremented to 2 is less than 10, 2 will be printed. Like this it will go on up to 9. So from 0 to 9 it will be printed. So the number of loops will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally there are 10 loops. 10 times of looping is done here. So answer is 10. And let's see some of the verbal questions too. You can prepare verbal questions or verbal concept in Interview Mania website. Mostly answers will be present in this website and you can prepare from this. They have given question like, it is advisable for the doctors, nurses and paramedical staff to get vaccinated dash the disease as they are at high risk of dash infection. You want to fill against and contracting. Let's read the sentence. It is advisable for the doctors, nurses and paramedical staff to get vaccinated against the disease as they are at the high risk of contracting infection. This is the answer for this question. Verbal question 2. The question is, days before Congress leader Narayanan Rane lost the by-election in Bandra East Assembly constituency, his second constituency electoral defeat, Chief Minister Devendra could have predicted of this. You want to give an correct explanation for this underlined correct meaning for this underlined sentence or the similar meaning for this underlined sentence. The answer for this question is had predicted thus that this could happen. This is the answer for this question. All the best for your interview preparation. If possible, I will post other sections of Wilmy M3 assessment exam in upcoming videos. All the best for your interview preparation.